Artificial intelligence is no longer limited to laboratories or high-tech companies. It is becoming part of daily life, changing industries, and creating new opportunities for growth. From hospitals using intelligent systems to diagnose illnesses, to banks preventing fraud with advanced algorithms, automation is quietly shaping the future. But with such progress comes a big question. Can we really trust these powerful systems? People worry about safety, privacy, and fairness, and those worries cannot be ignored. Building trust requires more than just innovation. It requires responsibility. In this video, we will explore how regulations and safety measures are shaping artificial intelligence. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and press the notification bell so you do not miss future updates about the world of technology. 1. Why regulations are important for artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence systems are growing more powerful every year. And with power comes risk. In healthcare, a small mistake in diagnosis can put a life at risk. In finance, an error in judgment could cause massive financial losses. Without clear rules, companies may rush to release products without proper testing, and this could harm people. Regulations create boundaries that ensure technology is developed responsibly. They are not meant to slow progress, but to protect society while still allowing innovation to thrive. Around the world, governments are realizing that laws have not kept up with the speed of change. By creating strong regulations, they can ensure that artificial intelligence is both safe and reliable for everyone. 2. Balancing speed and safety in development. Innovation often moves faster than governments can respond, which creates tension between progress and safety. Technology companies want to launch new tools quickly to stay ahead in competition. On the other side, regulators insist on proper testing, transparency, and safeguards before these systems are released to the public. Striking this balance is one of the greatest challenges of modern technology. If we move too slowly, we risk missing opportunities for growth. If we move too quickly, we risk exposing people to harmful consequences. 3. Global approaches to artificial intelligence regulations. Different countries are adopting different strategies to regulate artificial intelligence. The European Union has already taken bold steps, introducing strict rules that prioritize human rights, fairness, and accountability. The United States, on the other hand, has taken a more flexible approach, focusing on encouraging innovation while still creating basic frameworks for safety. In Asia, countries like China and Japan are also moving quickly to build their own systems of regulation. These differences show how global priorities are not always the same, but the challenges are shared. 4. Artificial intelligence safety research and testing. Regulations are only one side of the story. Safety also depends on deep research into how intelligent systems behave. Organizations and researchers are studying how these systems make decisions, how they learn from data, and how they respond in unexpected situations. Safety research focuses on reducing bias, preventing errors, and ensuring reliability under pressure. For example, an artificial intelligence system used in self-driving cars must be tested under every possible condition before it can be trusted on the road. 5. Transparency and building public trust. The most advanced technology will fail if people do not trust it. Transparency is the foundation of that trust. Companies must clearly explain how their systems work, what data they use, and what risks may exist. When decisions are hidden, people become fearful and doubtful. But when companies are open about their processes, trust grows naturally. Protecting user privacy is also critical to earning trust, as people want to know that their information is safe. Building trust in automation is not only about making machines intelligent, but also about building strong relationships with the public. The age of automation is here, but its success depends on more than just speed and power. It depends on responsibility, safety, and the trust we build along the way. Regulations, safety research, and transparency are the keys that will shape this future. If these steps are taken seriously, automation can become a tool that benefits everyone without putting society at risk. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to understand the future of technology. Leave your thoughts in the comments, because together we can explore how innovation and safety can move forward hand in hand.